Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to use ChatGPT. First of all, you have to type in OpenAI in Google, and this you will see this in your Google search, the first openai.com. Just click on this website. Okay, now you're on openai.com, and now you can here first of all also try the ChatGPT. So you don't need to log in or register or something. You can just simply click here, try ChatGPT, and you can write here like what is data science, and you will just enter, and this will write you the answer. So has given you a detailed answer on what is data science. And if you want to generate another answer, if you don't like this answer so much, just click on regenerate and it will create another answer for you. And you can also go back to the previous answer by clicking here. Let's finish that by clicking here. So this is the first answer, this is the second answer. If you want to create an essay, let's say, you can choose some from here and some from the next answer and create an essay on this. Okay, so if you want to know, this was how you try the ChatGPT, and if you want to log into the ChatGPT, create login. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. You can sign up using your Google account as well, or any of your email or your Apple ID. So as we already have an account, so we'll just simply log into ChatGPT. So I have clicked on login, as I already had a login. So after that, you will get this this UI. Here you can simply click on the ChatGPT, and you get to the same page almost, where we got which we had uh, uh, without the login. And here you can write again, let's say, what is artificial intelligence, and you will get a result based on that. You can also go through these previous search items that you searched on ChatGPT. You can have this in your history. This is the history from yesterday, so you will also see the results that you got here. So these were the results, and from my previous questions or searches on ChatGPT. Yeah, and if you want to, there's another cool thing which is called the playground, and the playground is let's search the yeah, ChatGPT playground. This is platform.openai slash playground. This will be open. Here you have a little bit more flexibility. For example, you can use the mode. It is chat. It is the complete. This is this mode. So and then we have an edit mode here. So you have an input, and you have this fix the you give the instructions what you want to edit on this text, and then you can also change your model. For example, this is ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. So if you have this paid version of the ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 4 or higher, you can see different models here, and you can select your model based on that. And you can also have your presets, as we don't have any pre-saved presets, so you can browse the examples, and here you can have your presets here, and you can select one of them. Okay, and you can open that in playground. So yeah, so that's a quick overview of Chat GPT. I think it's a very interesting tool. You can use it for anything. It's a very good helping tool for your job, for your projects, or for anything you want, for programming tasks, for any stuff, for writing essays, for writing books, for writing articles or blog posts, whatever you want.